How to fix could not complete your request because of a program error in Photoshop on Windows/Mac OS. Here are some tips that would help you fix could not complete your request because of a program error in Photoshop on Windows/Mac OS. 1. Double check current system requirements and ensure your computer meets the official PS system requirements. 2. Update your Photoshop by Adobe Creative Cloud. 3. Try disabling the Enable Generator option. Save the change you made and restart Photoshop. 4. Properly set your cache levels to a higher value. Save the change you made and restart Photoshop. 5. Disable GPU acceleration. Save the change you made and restart Photoshop. If this tip stops the above mentioned PS error, re-enable the GPU acceleration option and use a less intense drawing mode. Hint: select basic or normal. 6. Try resetting Photoshop's preferences. For macOS users only, locate then trash the Photoshop version settings subfolder at Preferences. 7. For Mojave users, try deleting and reinstalling Photoshop. 8. If you're still using some much older versions of Photoshop, Google how to run Photoshop CS6 on Mojave system.